Is it the right time to make a move with Meta stock? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into Meta. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, December 29, 2023. Now, we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of December 7, 2023, our system has ranked the stock Meta as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.50. Now, let's dive into how the stock has performed during this period. Surpassing our expectations, Meta has shown an impressive gain of 8.38% since we first recommended buying it 16 days ago. This means that on average, the stock has delivered a daily return of 0.52% since it was listed as hold/accumulate. The stock is currently experiencing an upward trend, which presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders. It is expected that the stock will react and move towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the stock breaks the top trend line at $359.01, it indicates a stronger rate of rising. Analyzing the 3-month trend, there is a projected change of 13.63% over the next 3 months. This suggests a potential return ranging from 2.39% to 15.26%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected change of 128.31% over the next year. This indicates a potential return ranging from 109.68% to 139.42%. In terms of price, this translates to a range of $742.17 to $847.43 after 1 year. Our latest update for Meta includes the headline, Meta stock downgraded to hold/accumulate. On the last trading day, Friday, December 29, 2023, the Meta stock price fell by 1.22%, dropping from $358.32 to $353.96. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $351.82 and a high of $360, showing a 2.33% variation. In the past 10 days, the price of the stock has risen in 7 instances, resulting in a 6.24% increase over the last 2 weeks. Although the volume of shares has increased by 3 million on the last day, the prices have been declining. This might indicate a potential risk in the upcoming days. Overall, approximately $5.09 billion worth of shares were bought and sold, totaling 14 million shares. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $361.90, while the lowest price was $117.74. Currently, the price is 2.19% below the 52-week high, equivalent to a difference of $7.94, and 7.9% below the all-time high on September 1, 2021, when it reached $384.33. Analyst ratings. Meta received various analyst ratings recently. On Monday, November 20, 2023, B. Riley Securities gave Meta a neutral grade with a hold action. On the same day, Wedbush rated Meta as outperform with a hold action. Wells Fargo also provided Meta with an equal weight grade and a hold action. Moving to Thursday, October 26, 2023, Goldman Sachs gave Meta a buy grade with a hold action. Additionally, KeyBank rated Meta as overweight with a hold action on the same day. According to analysts, Meta stock has received a general buy rating. The PE ratio is rated as strong buy, while the price to book is also considered strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. The following signals have been identified for Meta. The Meta stock currently shows a mixed signal. The short-term moving average suggests a sell signal, while the long-term average indicates a buy signal. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is an overall buy signal for the stock, which provides a positive forecast. If the stock continues to rise, it may encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at around $354.53. Conversely, if the stock falls, it may find support from the long-term average at approximately $336.73. A break through the short-term average would indicate a buy signal, whereas a breakdown through the long-term average would indicate a sell signal. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also shows a buy signal. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may have an impact on the near-term development. A sell signal was recently generated from a pivot top point on Thursday, December 28, 2023, resulting in a decline of -1.22%. It is expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is identified. Yesterday, volume increased during the decline in prices, which could be an early warning sign that the stock should be closely monitored. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, there was a buy signal. Pivots, a sell signal occurred 2 days ago. Bollinger, a buy signal was generated 6 days ago. Short-term moving average, a sell signal was observed 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, there was a buy signal 17 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, a buy signal was identified 38 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we can see short moving average, a buy signal was detected 16 days ago. Long-term moving average, a buy signal occurred 44 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, a buy signal was observed 238 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Meta. Support levels are crucial for understanding a stock's potential downside. Currently, Meta finds support just below its current level at $334.92 and $299.53. It's important to note that when a stock tests a support level, there is a risk involved. If the support level is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. In Meta's case, if $334.92 is breached, the next support levels to watch out for are $299.53 and $288.35. It's worth considering the stock's average movements and trading volume to assess the level of risk. Meta has shown average daily volatility and a good trading volume, placing its risk at a medium level. Yesterday, the stock moved $8.18 between its high and low, representing a 2.33% fluctuation. Over the past week, it has had a daily average volatility of 1.44%. Let's start by discussing some essential fundamental data before we explore the potential good trading levels for Meta. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price compared to its per-share earnings. Meta has a relatively normal PE ratio, which is often observed in businesses with a long track record or predictable revenues. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on February 07, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report are at $4.75. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Meta. If Meta shows an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $354.09. If you're not already invested, it might be wise to wait for the stock to surpass this level before considering a position. For those who already hold Meta shares, this could also be a level to consider for swing trading opportunities. On the other hand, if Meta experiences a decline, its first support level can be found at $334.92. If this support level holds, it could potentially serve as a favorable entry point, as the stock may rebound from this level. According to multiple analysts, the combined average rating for Meta is buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On December 26, 2023, Jennifer Newsted, an insider, sold 566 shares of Class A common stock. On December 27, 2023, Mark Zuckerberg, another insider, sold 11,975 shares of Class B common stock. On December 27, 2023, Mark Zuckerberg conducted another insider sell, this time selling 29,905 shares of Class B common stock. On December 27, 2023, Mark Zuckerberg sold 300 shares of Class A common stock. Lastly, on December 27, 2023, Mark Zuckerberg sold 2,669 shares of Class A common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of -36.325. Overall, insiders purchased 208,392 shares and sold 447,708 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $343.19, which represents a decrease of 3.04%. With medium daily movements, this stock carries a moderate level of risk. We have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was detected just 1 day ago. Is Meta stock a good buy? While Meta exhibits several positive signals, they are not sufficient to consider it a strong buy candidate. Currently, it is more appropriate to view Meta as a hold candidate, or consider accumulating more shares while waiting for further developments. We have adjusted our analysis conclusion from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture since our last evaluation. Upon analyzing the volatility and recent movements in the market, our systems indicate that the current price of Meta is undervalued. Looking ahead to trading on Tuesday, January 2nd, we anticipate Meta to open at $1.30 higher than the previous closing price, starting the day's trading at $355.26. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Please be aware that StockInvest.us is not the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so feel free to comment below and share your thoughts. We'd love to hear your target for the stock as well. And if you enjoy our content, remember to like and subscribe to stay updated on all things trading. Wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.